Well, I can't quite believe it. The Moto Martin has landed at my gaff. Would you believe that? And so has Sam Lovegrove, but he hasn't seen it yet for obvious reasons. Hey, are you ready for this?
What's a Moto Martin?
Exactly. That's a good start. Are you going to reveal him or shall I? I'll do it.
You do it, yeah.
Are you ready for this?
I'm always ready, go on.
Are you sure? Oh, feast your eyes, Sam Lovegrove.
It's not pre-war, is it?
I think it could be pre-a war,
Oh,
a
yeah.
war of restoration.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
A war between three friends.
Yeah, there are issues with it.
Oh.
I think I might have bought, in a bit of a rush, because I got overexcited, a collection of Moto Martin bits.
Yeah, nothing's really joined up over there, is it?
What's not here is over there.
Oh, okay.
Although it was advertised as a whole bike.
The swing arm is Hayabusa.
Okay.
The wheels, I think, are GZ late GSX. The clocks on the front are Katana. The indicators are Suspect. The rear light is, what do you reckon, Millie?
KH250.
KH250 rear light.
So what you're saying is, taking all those parts out, in my mind, the tank, the engine and the frame are the only correct pieces in front of us.
Why not?
That's not entirely true.
Not entirely true.
No, tell him, Millie, tell him.
Right, the wheels are genuine over there.
Oh, those are the other ones, yeah.
Cast your eye on this selection of parts.
Okay, start to reassemble.
Front forks.
Yep.
The battery housing.
Ooh.
Bits of the wiring loom. Original.
Yeah.
Can I show you my vision? Why do you always laugh, both of you, when I show a vision?
Is it going to look like a cake?
Jelly Bean's happy.
Ah. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. Can I show you the one that I absolutely love?
Oh, yeah, nice.
Oh yeah, that's actually quite nice. Quite like that.
Is that gold?
Suzuki.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
So look, right, we have a real mission
Okay.
on our hands, don't we? But can you see why I'm excited?
Yeah.
If it's been made by humans,
Yeah.
it can be restored and repaired by geniuses. Right? Oh,
He
God.
didn't say we were human.
No, he didn't. No, because you're not. He's made a swarf. Okay, well, look, we've got ourselves something I think that is exceptional. It is iconic in 80s motorcycle history, yeah? And we, when we come back, are going to start stripping it.